this video, we're going to install your Rokblokz trailing arm skid plates for this Maverick R XRS. The tools you'll need for this video are an impact driver, a 3/8 inch socket with an adapter for your impact driver. You'll need a hammer and a drill, and then you are provided with a transfer punch and a jig for that transfer punch, as well as the number 7 drill bit, a 1/4-20 tap, and all the hardware for this installation. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is locate this OEM hole. We're going to enlarge it with our number 7 drill bit, and then we're going to hold up our skid plate, lining up the second to last hole with the hole that we just drilled out. Now that it's lined up, send the bolt in semi-tight. You should have some play in the skid plate in order to line it up with the edge of the trailing arm. Now that we've got the trailing arm skid all lined up, we're going to grab our transfer punch jig and hammer and go to the first hole towards the front of the machine and make your mark with the transfer punch. This will keep your drill from walking as you use your number 7 drill bit to drill out the hole. Ensure that your trailing arm is lined up properly. Send that bolt in and make it tight. Then go to your first bolt and tighten that all the way as well. Now you're going to use your jig and transfer punch to do the same thing with the last 3 holes. Then drill them out and send the bolts in tight. Now that we've mounted that trailing arm, go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and then you're finished.